Yes, last class what we had done, was it understood? Any doubts what we had done in last class? In that any doubts are there? A 3 is to 8 decoder. Sankalp,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubts in what we had done in last class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so on that basis, what we had done in the last class, a 3 is to 8 decoder we had designed using a 2 is to 4 decoder. Today we'll see some numericals on that. Okay, so first one, take down, realize the given Boolean function using 74139 IC. Realize the following function using 74139 IC. So f of AB is given to be summation of 0, comma 2. Okay, shall we, you all have taken down this?
Wait, ma'am.
We'll start doing this. Okay, now see. F of AB equals to summation 0, comma 2, right? So 0, comma 2, uh, simplify karo and get this expression. Let me know how you have got this. If I see what I say, summation 0, comma 2 can be written as A bar B bar plus A B bar. I say you can write summation 0, comma 2 like this. Any doubt how we write like this? Or is it understood?
Explain once again, ma'am.
Just a minute. Okay. Right. See, summation 0, comma 2. Okay. It means what? I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is 0, min term 0, min term 1, min term 2, min term 3. This corresponds to A bar B bar. This corresponds to A bar B. This is A B bar. Hmm? And this is AB. Okay. So now they have said min terms 0 and 2. So 0 corresponds to A bar B bar. 2 corresponds to A B bar. Now is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right? So I got this. Okay, now I want to implement this using a 74139 decoder, which is either 3 is to 8 decoder or dual 2 to 4 line decoder. Okay, so this I had shown you in last class. Okay, how we draw a decoder. So I'll have, see, this is a two variable function. Okay, it's a two variable function. Means what? Your lower, mhm. See, it's a two variable function. How many inputs I'll have?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please admit Tejas.
Pratik is here. I cannot see Tejas here. Huh. Okay. Right now, see, this is a dual 2 to 4 line decoder, correct? So how many input lines it should have? Dual 2 to 4 line decoder. How many input lines it should have? Dual बोलने से कितना? What's meant by dual?
Ma'am, 2.
2. It means what? I have, see, I'll divide it here only. See, what I mean to say is there are two 2:4 decoder. Okay, ये ऊपर वाला in, okay, see the first one, this is 2 to 4 line decoder. This first one is 2 to 4. This is one 2 to 4 decoder, and this is another 2 to 4 decoder. 2 to 4 decoder के लिए how many inputs and how many outputs are there? A 2 to 4 line decoder, how many inputs and how many outputs are there? How many inputs?
Oh, the two inputs.
Two inputs, right? So see, I have given two inputs. One input let me consider as A, and the other input would be one input is A and one input is B. Okay? Okay? So I've given input to first 2 to 4 line decoder. Okay, and let me say there is one enable line. Okay, let me take this as enable. So I'll take this as enable G dash. Is that okay? Is that understood now? How I am designing?
Yes, ma'am.
So abhi two inputs हुआ. How many outputs?
4.
4 outputs. So I'll write 4 outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 outputs. Now see, if you remember, I had said that see, a 3:8 decoder is an active low decoder. So what I'll do, I'll have a bubble here. I'll have a bubble here, and I'll have a bubble to input of the enable. And enable, what value should be this? 0 or 1?
0.
It has to be 0 so that your decoder gets 1. Okay, right. Up till here, was that clear? Right, I hope up till here it is understood. Right, now see, your first line is what? Y naught. Okay, output Y naught. This is Y1. This is Y2. This is Y3 of first section. Okay, so my mean terms are 0. Okay, 0 and 2 and 2. Okay, and this is what? A bar, B bar plus. Okay, it's a plus. So I should be having a OR gate with this. Okay, so I get the function f of AB. Any doubts here? See, any doubts? Why I have put a not here? Any doubts? Or is that understood why I have put a not here?
No, ma'am. Did not get it.
See, now why I have put a not is control. एक minute. Discard. I'll remove first these notes. Okay. अभी देखो. What is the output here? It is Y naught. Okay, but since this decoder is an active low decoder. Okay, since this decoder is an active low decoder, what I had put, whatever output you get, Okay, here whatever output you get, to that output we are putting a not. Okay, since this is an active low decoder, so see whatever output is here, here it was y naught, here it is y naught dash, here it is y1 dash, here it is y2 dash, okay, and here it is y3 dash. Okay, now when it is like this, and if I put only a simple not gate, simple not gate में क्या हो जाएगा? If you put the simple OR gate here, I have to erase it. See, what is your function? Function is a bar b bar plus a b bar. Okay, so see here what you have got, a bar b bar the whole bar, y naught is a bar b bar, but here since I have put a not, it is a bar b bar whole bar. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी see what was your y2? y2 was a bar b. My work is what? I have to realize a bar b bar plus a b bar. Okay, but the output what I have got is a bar b bar the whole bar, and here the output is a b bar the whole bar. Okay, abhi I have to add this, so for adding what I'll do, I'll put a OR gate. Okay, but I have to remove this bar na, from here. So what I'll do, I'll put one more bubble here, so that okay, so that this bubble and this bubble will cancel out each other. This bubble and this bubble will cancel out each other. Is that understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, right. So this is the implementation of f of ab. So final output what you get here is f of a comma b, which is 0 comma summation of 0 comma 2. Is that now? See, since this was a two variable function, I have used only one section of a dual 2 to 4 decoder. Okay, so this section I have left out as it is. Okay, now if you see a two variable, three variable or four variable function, that time I am going to use the second output also. Okay, right? Shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
You all have completed this? So in that case, okay, this would be 1B, 1A, okay, 2B, 2A, and whatever output you would have got, that would be 2Y0, 2Y1, 2Y2, and 2Y3. Okay, right? If I would have used this also, but I have not used this section. समझ में आया? Is this understood? audible? Samir?
Yes, ma'am.
All have done this? Okay. I hope all have done this. Take down the next one. Realize the given Boolean function using 74139 IC. Equal to six, 7. You all are noting it down? Yes or no? Sankar?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Boolean functions. This we had done in last class. Yes, we had done this in last class, right? Now see, here, what is this? This is 0 bar. See, here it is 0, but after this it is 0 bar. Here it is 1, but here it is 1 bar. Here it is 2. Here it would be 2 bar. Here it is 3. Here it is 3 bar. Okay, we'll continue the sequence. Here it is 4. So this is 4 bar. 5, 5 bar. 6, 6 bar. 7 and 7 bar. Okay. See, 3:8 decoder. This is the standard 3:8 decoder. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to take, sorry. Or 0 will not come. Okay. 1, 3, 6, 7. Okay. I have to put a OR gate. And to cancel this bar, I have to put a bubble here. So your function is this, f of ABC is equal to 1367. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so take next one on a similar note. Realize the Boolean function. Realize the Boolean function. F of ABC is equal to 267. Get me for 267. For 2, 6, 7 you draw. Draw and show me. शुभम
Yes, ma'am.
कर रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that done, Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, Abhay, is that done? Tejas?
Doing, ma'am.
Sai Prakash, Madidre, have you done that?
Ma'am, doing ma'am. Last.
Just tally your results. Anyone who has completed? Suraya? Suraya Banu? Sanya? No one is here. Samir, you are here.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
You could tally the result?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So, we'll finish it up here for today. So next class, right? So this is your 3 to 8 decoder, which is designed from 2 to 4 decoders. Okay, we'll see in next class how to design some higher order decoders. Okay, by the time you can try to draw a 4:16 decoder. Okay, I have given you the formula how to calculate, right? How to calculate how to design the decoders, right? Higher order. So required implementation for higher order M2 by M1, where M2 is number of outputs of higher order decoder and M1 is number of outputs of lower order decoder. So using this, you try to design a 4:16 decoder, right? We'll elaborate on this in the next class. Okay? You all can quit.